Naija, how far? Like this, I don't sit on top of my city, inside my city. So if you be Naija, sit on top of your city, inside your city. Make we chop talking, reason together. Based on some things where they stop our Naija cities. Don't they make some people they feed cheating? I will not go feed the Naija, they see shit, chop and come, they call and chinchi. In a different level. His Excellency, Rochas Okorocha, the governor of Imo State. See him face. See him. See him face like by when they make when they no chop in the night, call each morning. See him face. Rochas Okorocha, the governor of Imo State. People they hungry for your state. You can't carry money. Where you go take develop the state? To buy people for hungry. Can't carry the money. Go build statue of Jacob Zuma, the president of South Africa. Rochas Okorocha, how can you come out? Come tell people, even if they open your mouth, they tell me. Say the statue of Jacob Zuma where you make now 22 million naira now you take make what? Cement and sand. This your face. Where be like this thing? Now you take use 22 million naira to make statues of Jacob Zuma. If you cut Jacob Zuma for table, shake them like meat, how much you go reach? Carry Jacob Zuma now, cut am to pieces, put am for pot, put am for table, shake them, sell them, pass. How much you go reach? Okay, carry the real Jacob Zuma, no cut am to pieces. Anyhow, you just shake them, say you want stuff. Jacob Zuma for say, how much you go reach? When you go me take cement and the sand and the water, make it start to take paint and say 22 million naira. So now there you want to tell people say the money of Imo State, now there you spend that put. Okorogo, cha. Una know the shame. This thing they pay me for now. This is what you do first. If I believe so, you be winch. Oh yes. If you not be winch, now you say you stay near winch. How people go there for your state? They never chop. You can't carry 22 million naira. Go make status of Jacob Zuma. Where they for South Africa? What in contact the two of them? What in contact back tire and front tire for motor? The president of your country, you don't make a start to finish. The heroes of Nigerians, will make this country better. How many of them you don't make their status? You don't get sense? Ojuku status. You make it in status there. Say you know there your head. No, people call a spade now. People the state hungry day. Orphanage home, full everywhere. Other things to do with money, there for the state. You can't carry 22 million naira, make status for Jacob Zuma, where is South Africa. Who Jacob Zuma help? He help anybody? Now, fear no catch you. You can't carry your younger brother and be your in-law. Make it come. After you don't do 8 years finish, for all this nonsense what you do, you can't bring your in-law. Say na him be the best. Now family business. I mean, it must stay na your papa house. You manage to do your 8 years finish where you don't do anything. You no go come out there. You want bring your in-law. Make you come continue suffer people from where you stop. You no go walk. You no go walk. Okay, I walk that. You no go walk. Why would they do this country like this? Is it a crime for somebody to be a Nigerian or somebody for somebody to be a citizen of Imo State? There are better things to do with money. No carry a state fund, the pack sand, pack cement put together, make somebody start to small time say 22 million, this 30 million. Shame no catch you. You be winch. Rochas Okorocha na winch. If you don't be winch, it they stay near winch. We have to call a spade. 2019 election they come. So you go carry your brother come give us. Anything where you do for this state where you no good, we go talk am. The one where you do where you good, we go talk am. Go break that status. You go. If I come back here, say you no break those status. Break those status. Naija na our country. Imo State na our state. We go join hand build am together. If you see the thing where no good, talk am. We go talk the one where if I come here, you know what I go feed you. Thank you.